Hello fellow DIYers and focus owners. Today I'm going to show you how to equip your car with snow chains. And there are -3 degrees here and it's snowing outside. I don't really need the chains, but I had to use them once while going uphill on a pretty steep incline, and I do think if you live in any country where you have a lot of snow and ice, it's a good idea to get a set of these chains. So first of all, when you open the box or whatever carrier bag, you will get instructions. You should read these instructions carefully and then get the chains out. I do want, because I did get these chains and I broke a pair because the tire was slipping, because it was kind of an off-road section and I did kind of repair it. So anyway, this seems to be the good pair. Anyway, the point is there are multiple ways you can put chains on your car. I will present the way with just lifting up the car into the air and putting the chains on. I do think this is the simplest way. But first, on the back, because this is the back part for this set, you will have this thingy which you will need to hook up. Kind of like that. Then you pull the set of chains through, because you will need to have it on your tire. There is this part. So another very important thing about snow chains, that there are different dimensions for it, and depending on your wheel and tire size, you will need to get the right one for your tire. So anyway, moving on, I did hook this up like so. Arrange them a little bit. So you will need to do something like this, and then you see it's too long. So that's why you have this option where you can hook it up to other links. Like so. And then you tighten this. But for example, on this set, you can feed it through this red loop and hook it up. Yeah, so because this is a 14-inch wheel, it's pretty small, and for example, I did something like this and then hooked it up to this. Now, one thing that is very important, you need to have the chains really tight on the wheel, because when you're driving, hopefully the car won't fall off the jack, when you're driving, you don't want your chains to fall off your wheels, obviously. So it's pretty simple. I do think this is the simplest part. Obviously, if you have the gear for it, I mean the jack, and yeah, and you can lift your car up, because you just put it under there, like grab it, put it up on top of the wheel, hook it up, and you're pretty much done. You don't need to drive a bit on the chain and then hook it up again and whatever. It took me like what, 2 to 3 minutes to equip one wheel with this method, and when I did it without the jack, it took me about 5 to 10 minutes for one wheel. On the other hand, yeah, just as I said, I broke a pair of these chains because the tire was spinning, well, one of the tires, and as they say on the box, you should not spin your tires. If you have the chains equipped, you should not drive on road. Obviously you should only drive on snow and ice. If the chains fail, you should stop immediately, because then you only drag them after you and you will destroy them, and you can cause damage to your car. Avoid hitting curves with the chains. Yeah, I'm reading these from the box. And let me see if I have the dimension for this. So here's the number or whatever, and here are the dimensions for the wheels. So I have 185 with 65 and 14-inch wheel. So this is how I know this set of chains will fit my wheels and my tires. So I hope this video helped you out, and yeah, see you in the next one.